A Freecash referral reward is only credited after the platform confirms that the referral met all of the promotion's eligibility requirements, so an instant reward isn't guaranteed. By the end of this, you'll know why referrals sometimes don't credit, how to verify everything was completed correctly, and what to do if the reward never appears. Start by checking whether your referral actually signed up through your referral link. If they created an account directly without using your unique link, the referral may not be connected to your account. Ask them to confirm how they registered before assuming there's a technical problem. Next, review the referral requirements. Some referral programs require the new user to complete certain actions before any reward is credited. If those requirements haven't been finished yet, the referral may remain pending or not appear at all. Another common issue is an existing account. If the referred person already had a Freecash account, even if they haven't used it recently, they may not qualify as a new referral. Referral programs are generally intended for first-time users. It's also worth checking whether the referred person used the same device or internet connection as another Freecash account. Security systems may review referrals more closely if multiple accounts appear to be connected. That doesn't automatically mean the referral will be rejected, but it can delay verification. Now, check your referral section inside Freecash. Some referrals appear as pending before becoming fully credited. If you see a pending status, the best approach is waiting for the verification process to finish instead of repeatedly contacting support. If the referral doesn't appear at all after every requirement has been completed, collect as much information as possible. Ask your referral for the email address linked to their account, the date they signed up, and confirmation that they used your referral link. Screenshots showing the registration process or referral page can also help if support requests additional evidence. When contacting Freecash support, explain the situation clearly and include all relevant details in your first message. Providing complete information reduces unnecessary follow-up questions and makes the review process more efficient. Avoid asking the referred person to create another account just to repeat the referral. Creating multiple accounts can violate platform rules and make the original issue more difficult to resolve. To sum it up, confirm the referral link was used. Verify every eligibility requirement was completed. Check for pending status, and contact support with complete documentation if the reward still doesn't appear. Next, save a copy of your referral link and remind new users to register through that exact link before creating their account. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Freecash troubleshooting guides, and check out our other videos covering offer tracking, withdrawals, and account recovery.